Hey guys, it's Sadie and I'm currently in New York with Apple and I'm so excited because I get to show you guys all of the new products that are coming out. When I announced that I was going to be talking about the new iPhones, I got a bunch of DMs and comments saying, Sadie, I know you're going to want the pastel pink iPhone 15. This is actually the first time that they infused colors into the glass of the phone. So they come in 5 different colors, but this is definitely my favorite color that has ever been released. They're also super light. And if you have ever used the dynamic island feature on the Pro phones, that is actually available on the 15 and the 15 Plus now. So if you want to quickly track your Uber, or you can check sports scores or check on your travel plans, now we have so many new features that are making the camera of the 15, not just the Pro, but the 15's so much better. So if you take a photo, like say you just take a regular photo and you're like, dang, I wish I could have turned that into a portrait photo, you can even do that afterwards and it'll perfectly blur the background, the details on your face. It might be a little bit too good. The next phone that I want to talk to you guys about is the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. I'm currently holding the 15 Pro Max and this one is in the natural titanium color. They have 4 different new titanium colors. These are also the lightest Pro models ever created, and they also have the thinnest border of any iPhone. Something that I really want to talk about is the new action button that takes place of the ringer and silent toggle on the phone that you may have right now. You can definitely just silence and turn the ringer back on, but you can also do you ever want to like quickly just take out your camera, quickly take a video just like with one touch of a button. Or what I would actually do, you guys know I love focus filters. I would basically just assign one focus filter that it'll automatically just go when I press that button. This, you can customize it to whatever you use more frequently, and there have also been amazing upgrades to the video quality of the Pro models. So I'm actually filming right now with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This entire YouTube video has been filmed with that. They definitely made a lot of advancements with low light video, and also if you ever have super shaky footage, they've made advancements in the action mode, so it'll literally stabilize. If you're running, if you're hiking, like your phone's literally going like this, the footage will be completely stable. I know that you guys don't love bringing a bunch of different types of cords with a bunch of different connectors in your school bag or around with you, so now the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max and 15 Plus, all of the new phones have a USB-C port, so now you can even charge your Apple Watch, or you can charge your AirPods from your phone. I also really just wanted to add in here the new updates for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. One of my favorite features is the conversation awareness. So basically, it will lower the volume of whatever you're listening to automatically, and also enhance the voice of whoever you're talking to on the street, quick conversation, and it will also reduce background noise. So I would go to New York, film a video with Apple, and forget to film an outro. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I do want to know what all of your opinions are on the new phones and the new colors. Please let me know down below everything. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.